Chapter 9: Exploring Smart Technologies. Learning Targets. Machine Learning. Natural Language Processing. Computer Vision. Augmented Reality. Virtual Reality. Big Data. Blockchain. Data Science. Edge Computing. ChatGPT. In today's rapidly evolving digital world, cutting-edge technologies are changing the way we interact with our surroundings. In this chapter, we will explore some exciting innovations that are making a significant impact. These technologies are not just passing trends, they are transforming industries such as healthcare, entertainment, and finance. They are shaping the future, making the world smarter and more connected. Let us dive in and discover how these technologies work and how they are changing our lives. Machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence (AI) that focuses on creating machines that can learn and improve without needing to be told exactly what to do. Instead of following fixed instructions, these machines use data to figure things out on their own. Machine learning (ML) helps computers process information and solve real-world problems. It allows machines to perform tasks, sort information, and understand patterns in data. As these systems work with more data, they become better at making decisions. To teach a machine, real-world data is used, which includes inputs, information, and expected outputs results. The machine looks at this data to find patterns or connections between the inputs and outputs. Once it has learned, the machine can use this knowledge to make predictions when new data is given to it. For example, Netflix and Amazon Prime use machine learning to suggest shows or movies based on what you have watched before. Similarly, it helps detect fraudulent activities in bank transactions and sort out spam emails. Benefits of machine learning. Machine learning has several important benefits. Self-driving cars. One of the biggest advantages of machine learning is its ability to help machines make decisions on their own, such as in self-driving cars. Recognizing trends and patterns. Machine learning can help identify trends and patterns from data. For example, streaming platforms like Netflix use it to understand what shows you might enjoy based on your viewing history. Continuous improvement. Each time a machine learning system is trained with new data, it gets better at making accurate predictions. Types of machine learning. Machine learning can be divided into different types based on how the system learns and makes predictions. There are three main types. 1. Supervised learning. The machine is trained using labeled data, meaning the input is matched with the correct output. It learns from examples like recognizing pictures of animals or detecting fraud in bank transactions. 2. Unsupervised learning. The machine is given data without labels and has to find patterns on its own. It is used to group things together, such as understanding which customers have similar buying habits. 3. Reinforcement learning. The machine learns by interacting with its environment and receiving feedback, either rewards for good actions or punishments for bad ones. This type is used in training robots or self-driving cars, where the system improves by trial and error. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence (AI) that focuses on teaching computers how to understand and process human languages, such as English, Hindi, French, and many more. Natural language refers to the way we communicate with each other, both in writing and speech. The goal of NLP is to help computers understand human language in a way that allows them to respond logically and solve problems, just like humans do. Just as our brains process information to help us understand and respond, computers use NLP to convert language into something they can understand. NLP focuses on both spoken and written language and is made up of two key components: natural language processing, NLP, natural language generation, NLG, natural language understanding, NLU. Natural language generation, NLG. Natural language generation is about creating sentences that computers can use to communicate with humans. The process of NLG involves three main steps. 1. Text planning. This involves retrieving the relevant information from a knowledge base, which is a system used to store information that computers can use. 2. Sentence planning. This step involves selecting the right words, forming meaningful phrases, and deciding how to phrase the sentence. 3. Text realization. This step involves converting the planned sentence into a structure that makes sense in human language. Natural language understanding, NLU. Natural language understanding focuses on how computers interpret written or spoken language. It involves making sense of the language and turning it into something that the computer can process. NLU has several tasks. It connects the input language to useful representations that the computer can understand. It analyzes different parts of the language, such as grammar and meaning. NLU is generally harder for AI systems to do than NLG. However, humans find NLU easier than NLG because we naturally understand language in a more intuitive way. Applications of NLP. NLP is used in many different areas. Some common examples include speech recognition. This allows computers to understand spoken language, like in voice assistants, chatbots. These are computer programs that can talk to people and answer questions. Virtual assistants, such as Siri or Alexa, which understand and respond to voice commands. Autocorrect and autocomplete. These helps correct or finish words as we type on our phones or computers. Machine translation, like Google Translate, which can translate text from one language to another. Market intelligence, understanding customer feedback and opinions by analyzing text. Robotics, enabling robots to understand commands in human language. Text categorization. This includes things like spam filters in emails, which sort out unwanted messages. Computer vision. Computer vision, which is a key part of artificial intelligence (AI), enables computers to automatically recognize, analyze, and interpret images in the same way humans do. It does not only match the ability of the human eye, but can also sometimes exceed it. Computer vision helps systems to recognize patterns and identify objects using images from sources like digital content, graphics, or documents. It helps computers make decisions and take actions in real time. Applications of computer vision. Computer vision is used in many industries, including healthcare, agriculture, retail, and defense. Healthcare. Doctors use computer vision to analyze MRI scans, which show detailed images of the inside of the body. These scans help doctors diagnose illnesses from various angles and pixel details. Agriculture. In farming, computer vision helps monitor the health of animals, track plant growth, detect plant diseases, and keep an eye on remote farms. Retail. In shops, computer vision is transforming shopping by enabling automated checkouts. For example, Amazon has opened Amazon Go, a store where customers can shop without needing to check out. Defense. In the military, computer vision is used in drones to help with security and surveillance tasks. This technology is helping businesses and industries in many different ways, making tasks faster and more accurate. Augmented reality. The word augmented comes from augment, which means to make something bigger or better. Augmented reality. AR aims to improve the real world by adding computer-made content to what you see around you. So, AR mixes the real world with virtual elements. You usually experience AR with a smartphone, laptop, or tablet. Popular apps using AR include Snapchat with face filters, Instagram with filters, and Pokemon Go, a game. The term augmented realities was first used by Thomas P. Cordell, Boeing Computer Services research employee in 1990. Devices used for augmented reality. The goal of AR technology is to make 3D objects seem like they are part of the real world in real time. Smartphones are very useful for this because they use their camera, microphone, GPS, global positioning system, and other sensors to gather information about the real environment. AR technology uses both hardware and software to create this effect. Hardware components for AR, software components for AR, a processor, high-speed artificial intelligence display, AR tools/software, sensors, processing, input devices, devices suitable for AR, AR glasses, smartphone, AR headset, tech fact. In 1968, Evan Sutherland developed the first head-mounted display called the Sword of Damocles. It paved the way for the AR we use in present day. Applications of augmented reality AR technology. Augmented reality AR is a technology that adds digital content to the real world, making experiences more interactive and engaging. It combines the physical world with virtual elements to enhance how we see and interact with things. As AR grows in popularity, it is being used for both educational and entertainment purposes, sparking creativity and learning. Interactive learning. AR can turn everyday objects into fun learning tools. For example, AR flashcards can bring characters, animals, or numbers to life, making learning more engaging and easier to remember. STEM education. AR can improve STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education by allowing students to interact with 3D models of complex concepts. This makes learning more hands-on and helps students better understand difficult ideas. Exploration. AR allows users to explore historical sites or geographical locations in a more interactive way. By adding information to maps or landmarks, AR gives users a deeper understanding of the world around them. AR art and design. AR lets users be creative by enabling them to draw, design, and animate in 3D. This helps them express their artistic talents in new and exciting ways. Interactive stories and imagination. AR storytelling apps allow children to interact with characters and objects in their real environment. This encourages imagination and helps develop language skills. Practice complex surgery. AR is used by doctors to practice and improve their skills in performing complex surgeries. It helps them learn the steps needed before they perform actual operations. Online shopping. Many online shopping platforms use AR to help customers see how products will look in their homes before they buy them. For example, an app can show how furniture will look in your living room. AR technology is changing the way we learn, play, and explore, offering an exciting way to experience the world around us. Virtual reality. Virtual reality (VR) is an exciting technology that uses computer-generated images to create a world that feels real. It allows users to interact with an imaginary 3D environment. VR is commonly used for activities like video games, theme park rides, and 3D movies. To experience VR, you need a special headset that covers your eyes and blocks out the real world. This headset takes you into a virtual world where you can explore and interact with objects, characters, and environments. Some popular examples of VR headsets are the Samsung Gear VR, Google Daydream View, Google Cardboard, Oculus Rift, and HTC Vive. Samsung Gear VR, Google Cardboard, Google Daydream View. In addition to providing a 3D view, VR also simulates other senses like hearing, touch, and smell, creating a more immersive experience. Simply put, VR replaces the real world with a virtual one, allowing you to fully enter and disconnect from reality. Applications of virtual reality VR technology. Gaming VR is widely used in video games, making players feel as though they are part of the game world. It offers a truly immersive experience where players can interact with characters and their surroundings, making the game feel like a real-life adventure. Education. VR enhances learning by allowing users to explore different environments, like historical sites, different cultures, or even outer space. It makes learning more engaging and enjoyable. Enhanced creativity. VR platforms allow users to design their own virtual worlds, characters, and stories. This encourages creativity and imagination, offering a space for artistic expression. Helping with fears and anxiety. VR is also used to help people overcome fears and anxiety. It creates a controlled environment where they can face their fears safely and gradually manage their emotions. Connecting with others. VR enables multiplayer experiences where users can interact, work together, and share experiences, no matter the distance between them. This fosters social connection in virtual spaces. Augmented reality versus virtual reality. Feature: Augmented reality (AR), virtual reality (VR). How much is virtual? 25% virtual and 75% real. 75% virtual and 25% real. What it changes adds to both the real world and the virtual world. Creates a whole new imaginary world. Can you tell the difference? You can easily tell what is real and what is virtual. It is hard to tell what is real and what is imaginary. Tools you need: just a smartphone camera, special equipment like headsets and gloves. Tech info. The metaverse is the future of the internet, a vast and interconnected virtual world where you can do almost anything from the comfort of your home. Imagine stepping into your favorite video game, chatting with friends as if they were right next to you, attending concerts, or exploring the ocean depths all through a digital avatar that represents you. The metaverse is like a massive online playground where you can explore ancient civilizations, futuristic cities, learn new skills, and meet people from around the world. It offers an exciting new reality where the only limit is your imagination, changing the way we interact, play, and experience the world. Unlike our physical world, there are multiple metaverses, each providing its own unique opportunities and experiences. Big data. Big data refers to a massive amount of information that grows rapidly over time. This data is analyzed to find patterns, trends, and connections. which helps us understand human behavior and interactions. It provides valuable insights that help businesses make better decisions. Because the data is so large and complicated, traditional methods for managing it are not enough to store or process it efficiently. Importance of big data. Big data plays a crucial role in the development of artificial intelligence. It is the foundation for machine learning, which is essential for creating AI systems. Here are some key ways big data is used. It is the basis for machine learning, which helps build AI systems. By analyzing big data, we can uncover patterns and trends that give us a better understanding of events. Big data helps predict future situations by assessing risks and helping businesses make plans. It helps solve problems, achieve goals, and identify the causes of issues in real time. Big data is used to create new products by examining customer feedback and needs. It helps businesses recommend products to customers based on their preferences and past actions. Applications of big data. Big data is used in a variety of fields to improve decision-making and efficiency. Some key applications of big data are healthcare. Doctors use big data to track patient health, predict illnesses, and find better treatments, improving the quality of care. Education. Schools use big data to monitor student progress, create customized lessons, and enhance learning experiences. Transportation. Big data helps optimize traffic flow, find faster routes, and improve public transport, making travel more efficient. Government. Governments use big data to create better policies, improve public services, and understand societal trends, helping them plan for the future. Manufacturing. Factories use big data to predict equipment failures, improve supply chains, and make production processes more efficient. Tech fact. IBM, a leader in big data technology, estimates that every day businesses create 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. In fact, 90% of the data in the world has been created in just the past 2 years. Blockchain. Blockchain is a special type of database that keeps a growing list of records called blocks. Each block includes a timestamp and links to the previous block. Unlike traditional systems, blockchain works on a peer-to-peer network, meaning many people called nodes. Each keep a copy of the entire database. To add new blocks, blockchain networks use methods like proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. These methods make sure everyone agrees on the transactions and prevent fraud. Blockchain is most commonly used to store transaction data, but it can also store other information like identities, contracts, or land titles. Once data is added to a blockchain, it is almost impossible to change. Each block contains a special code called a cryptographic hash that links it to the previous one. If someone tries to change one block, they would need to change every block after it, which is very hard to do. Applications of blockchain. Here are some common ways blockchain is used. Healthcare. Blockchain can be used to protect patient records and track medicine in supply chains. Voting. Blockchain can make voting more secure and transparent by creating systems that prevent tampering with votes. Banking and finance. Blockchain helps make payments faster, such as sending money across countries or settling financial transactions. Identity verification. It can securely store and manage digital identities, making it harder for people to steal them. Supply chain management. It can track the journey of goods from one place to another, making sure everything is honest and reducing fraud. Data science. Data science is a field that combines many different areas of study, including machine learning, data storage, web development, and statistics. It focuses on solving real-world problems and uses machine learning to create new products. Data science uses a variety of methods, algorithms, and scientific techniques to extract useful information from large amounts of data, whether it is organized or not. The goal is to find hidden patterns and turn raw data into clean, useful insights that can help people make better decisions. Benefits of data science: helping businesses make faster, better decisions, personalizing recommendations for customers and suggesting products they may like, using machine learning to detect fraud, improving machine intelligence for smarter systems. Stages in the data science process. Here are the key steps data scientists follow to turn raw data into useful insights. 1. Discovery. This is when data is gathered from different sources like social media, websites, or government databases. Preparation. This step involves cleaning the data by fixing problems like missing values or incorrect formatting. 3. Model planning. Data scientists decide what methods to use to find relationships in the data. 4. Model building. The actual model or algorithm is created during this step. 5. Operationalization. The model is tested and then put into use in real-world situations. 6. Communication of results. The findings are shared to help people understand whether the model worked well or not. Applications of data science. Data science is a powerful tool that is used across many industries to improve efficiency, decision-making, and profitability. Here are some key areas where data science is applied. Education. Data science helps personalize learning, track student progress, and improve teaching methods by analyzing educational data. Banking and finance. Edge computing. Edge computing is a technology that brings data processing closer to where the data is created, instead of relying on remote data centers. This approach reduces latency, delays, and saves bandwidth by processing data near its source. It enables real-time data analysis, which is especially useful in applications that require quick responses. Applications of edge computing. Healthcare. Medical devices and monitoring systems can make quick decisions and alert healthcare providers when needed. Autonomous vehicles. Vehicles process sensor data instantly to make safety-critical decisions, improving driving experiences. Retail. Edge computing optimizes inventory management and personalizes customer shopping experiences in real time. Smart cities. Edge computing aids in managing traffic, surveillance, and waste systems, enhancing urban services. Content delivery. Edge servers reduce website loading times and enhance media streaming by storing data closer to users. Industrial lot. It enables real-time monitoring and control in factories, improving efficiency and productivity. ChatGPT. Imagine having a clever companion always ready to chat, answer questions, share cool facts, and even tell stories. That is what ChatGPT does. It is like a friendly robot that understands what you say or type and responds in a helpful way, just like chatting with a friend. ChatGPT is powered by advanced alert technology, which allows it to learn from books, websites, and conversations. This makes it super smart, able to answer all sorts of questions, explain things, or help with tricky problems. From asking about the weather to getting advice on your homework, ChatGPT is always ready to help. How can you use ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a smart AI tool that can help in many different areas, from communication and creativity to learning and problem solving. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT. As a conversational partner, ChatGPT can chat with you, answer questions, explain things, and talk about a wide range of topics. It is great for when you need information, advice, or just want to have a chat. Helping with content ideas. Writers and creators use ChatGPT to come up with ideas, make outlines, or even write full articles. It is especially helpful when you are stuck and need some inspiration. Improving customer support. Businesses use ChatGPT to help with customer service. It can answer common questions, solve problems, and provide help anytime, making customers' experiences better. Simplifying language translation. ChatGPT can translate text between different languages. While it might not be perfect, it gives you a quick and easy translation, which is useful for casual translation tasks. Helping with learning. Students can use ChatGPT as an educational tool. It can explain complex topics, assist with homework, and help learners improve their language skills in an interactive and engaging way. Assisting with coding. Programmers use ChatGPT for coding help. It can suggest code, explain programming problems, and help fix bugs, making coding easier and faster. Thinking creatively. ChatGPT is great for brainstorming ideas. Whether you are planning an event, creating a product, or coming up with a marketing campaign, it can help you think of creative solutions. Providing entertainment. ChatGPT can entertain users with jokes, stories, riddles, and trivia. It offers fun and engaging interactions suitable for all ages, providing a source of light-hearted content. Although ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile tool, it is important to remember that it may not always be 100% accurate. Its responses should be treated as suggestions, and key information should be cross-checked when necessary. Wrap up. Machine learning enables machines to learn from data and improve over time, used for tasks like movie recommendations and fraud detection. Natural language processing (NLP) helps computers understand and process human language, applied in speech recognition, chatbots, and translation tools. Computer vision allows computers to interpret images and videos, with uses in healthcare MRI scans and retail automated checkout. Augmented reality (AR) enhances the real world with digital content, improving experiences in education, gaming, and retail. Virtual reality (VR) creates immersive virtual environments, commonly used in gaming and education to explore new worlds. Big data refers to vast amounts of data analyzed for patterns and trends, driving insights for decision-making in healthcare, finance, and more. Blockchain is a secure decentralized system for recording transactions and managing data, with applications in finance, voting, and supply chains. Data science combines algorithms and statistics to extract useful insights from data, helping businesses and industries improve decision-making. Edge computing processes data closer to its source, reducing delays and improving real-time applications in healthcare, smart cities, and autonomous vehicles. ChatGPT is a smart AI tool that assists with conversation, content creation, learning, and problem solving, offering help in various fields.